Hello everyone, it's Stephanie. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I have a haul video from Jackson's Art Supply, like my favorite art store ever. And I just picked up this item because I think there's still time to catch this if you want this on sale. If you are like me, you like trying all the colors and all the brands. And I don't use all the colors at once. I break them up into smaller palettes, of course, so they're more easy to use. I think since I started so late discovering how much I love watercolors, I feel like I have a lot of time to catch up for, because I made the mistake of trying crappy watercolors first and I thought I didn't like it. I did get some of these free and low cost items. This is the Jean Hans palette. So love that they offered that, as well as some Canson paper, and I go through and pick out some various different papers that I want to try. These are all about 50 cents or so. And I especially love the ones with the deckled edge. They have all different papers. This is the Binland Maru. So I love being able to try this. So this is some Stonehenge hot press paper. And it feels much smoother than I've been using the Fabriano, and this feels actually much smoother. And then this is the white. This is for colored pencils. Been loving colored pencils. And then this is the black, and I know I have a larger pack of this and it's amazing. I want to say these were about $1, but I thought this would be great for swatching out. It's art, like they're already cut out, and I thought it would be great for swatching out all of my fine text on and have a little reference. So I got that for that. Okay, so this is what I ordered. This is the Rembrandt Professional Artist Paints. I had actually tried the Van Gogh set, and it's just a little portable set. I was pleasantly surprised by these. And so it came with a brush and everything, and I want to say this was about $27. This is the student grade, but I thought if their student grade was this nice, then I really would like to try their professional paints. So when these happened to be on sale, I thought it must be a sign. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So this color is Permanent Matter Purple. It has some PV19 in it, so I tend to like that color a lot, and I really like to compare different brands. These paints are made in the Netherlands. So I'm going to unbox this now, and it comes in a large palette. It does have the ring, on the back. I'm always afraid of scratching my glass mat with that, which I love it, but okay, let's open this up. And here are the gorgeous paints. So it comes with all 48 colors, and it also includes a brush. So I thought that was a phenomenal deal, because these were, so I paid $117. Shipping was free. They even give you a brush. This is a size 6, and it said it's a sable brush. And notice the sides are rolled. So these all come in individual pan, and I will just open one to see what it's like inside. So they have the name on the bottom, what's really nice. It says they're from Holland, and so they are the extruded. That's what Sennelier uses, and several other than Schminke seem to use that. Winsor & Newton use those also. Let me know if you guys would like me to swatch all these out. I'd be happy to do that for you guys. I think they're going to be really nice. If you're a paint lover like me, I just wanted to let you see that. You could also I had got this at Jackson's a while back, and this is a hand-swatched color chart. I believe this was free. I love that it has all of the colors. The dot charts are my favorite, but even if you can see the colors swatched out, it's really, really helpful to know what you're going to want to get. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.